Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna unbox the DeWalt DCG412N body only. Let's see what's inside the box. So we have warranty manuals, we have the leaflet, we have the grinder itself, nice design. You can use it with 18 volt DeWalt batteries, or if you live in USA, the 20 volt ones. You have a grip which you can put on either side. You have an Allen key that you undo and put a new disc, and that's it inside the box. So let's see how it operates. So you have adjustable disc guard, if you want to say. You can remove, of course, the disc completely, but it locks in positions. You have a button on the back that you press to lock the front, and you use the Allen key to undo the front. You have a lock button here. The device is not operating, and when you hear the noise, it operates. So let me see what else I can show you. We're gonna assemble it, but yeah. So let's install a battery and see how it operates. We put a 2 amp, 1.5 amp battery on this. And let's see how loud it is. Sounds strong. It says it's 8000 RPM. With no load. When you put the lock, it doesn't do anything. When you undo the lock, what you will see is that the device looks like it's meant to be operated this way, because the handle is like this, and you have like a guard for your hands just in case something slips. So you can see the spec says it can take a disc 125 millimeters. So this is it, the DeWalt DCG412N, the body, angle grinder, it doesn't have any auto stop or anything like that. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share these videos because it helps the channel. And see you on the next video. Bye.